Hello folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Troy-Bilt 3550 watt generator with 5250 starting watts. I'll tell you what's happened. My electric went out and I went to use this. All of a sudden, after the vibration, it started leaking gas. And after further inspection, it was leaking gas right around here. So I realized the fuel tank was leaking. So I'm going to show you how to repair that. So stick around and let's get right into it. So the first thing I've done is went down here and I've taken the clamp from the fuel line and I'm going to remove the fuel line. And before you do that, make sure your gas is turned off. I've already drained all the gas out of the tank. Now this tank here is obsolete. They don't make it no more. It's not available. So I got 4 bolts, 2 on each side. I got to remove. Takes a 10mm socket. Now I should be able to just pick the tank up. Okay, I thought it was leaking up here because it was all dry and I had it ready to remove. It was actually here, as you can see. So the crack is right here. Let's see if we can zoom it in without getting it all out of focus. There it is. Get a little closer. You can see the crack goes all the way underneath. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to fix that, because like I said before, can't get this fuel tank anymore. It's not available. Now I should be able to lift this right up off of here. Lift it from the back. And that's it. Here's a picture of the crack on the top side. As you can see it going back in here. And this is a picture of the crack on the bottom side. As you can see, it loops right around. This generator is 21 years old. It was built in 2004 and still works really well. Here's the plastic welder I'm going to be using. This piece here is what I'm going to be using. It's almost like a soldering iron. This kit comes with a lot of attachments, and I'll probably use this one right here. As you can see, you just put the plastic in the top and it feeds out the bottom, or I can use this one right here to just put the plastic on it, or put the plastic on the damaged area and just kind of spread it in and let it melt in and seal it up. But we'll see which one I use. I'll test them both out. Now this is the damaged area. I'll start on this side first, but that this side here was cracked as well, and it is on the opposite side. I can tell you right now, it takes a spark or a flame to set off gas. I do have the lid off the other side of this, but the fumes aren't going to ignite because I'm not dealing with flames or a spark. I'm going to take this, and this right here will just thread right into the top, like so. This is the polyethylene rod that I'll put in the top of it. Because this is black, I want to make sure I got black plastic going back over top of it, something that will be durable when I put it down in this crack right here. Okay, hardest part's going to be right here. Okay, there it is. I think I gave a little less than $30 for this kit. Like I said earlier, this thing is already paid for itself with all the stuff I've had to fix over the last couple years. Okay, now it's ready to be tested to make sure it doesn't leak. Okay, this side doesn't leak. However, this side does still leak, so I'm going to have to get the iron on it and try and get it welded a little bit better. I pulled out the flat iron on it. The crack was pretty big on that one right there, but I finally got it closed up. Now I'm going to go ahead and mount it back onto the generator. Goes underneath there. Goes down. I'll put the 4 bolts in it. I'll go ahead and put this hose on right here. And I'll go ahead and put the clamp on it. I sure do hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.